Hi, today we're talking about training application form. So this is a simple form for the trainees who are going to sign up for training. So as you can see, this has simple fields like the details of the trainee who is going to participate and how they are going to fill in the form. And once the applicant fills in this form and they click on submit, you will able to see the responses coming under the responses view. So first of all, go to the form builder, click on share form, click on copy form link, and expose this link to the particular trainee who is going to fill up this form. Okay. So once you expose this link to the trainee, they will be able to fill in all the details and they click on submit. All the responses will be visible under the responses view. So let's quickly fill in some of the records over here as it is being highlighted. And once everything is filled up, then we will be able to submit the records for our evaluation. So I'm going to fill in all the details. Once everything is filled in, click on submit, and once you click on submit, the response has now been submitted. If you go back to the responses view, you can see the response being captured over here, and you can see the entire records visible over here. Okay, so this is how you can take help of a form builder like this training application form and capture all the responses for the training. I also want to highlight that everything over here is entirely customizable as per your needs and requirements. You can modify all the fields as per your choices and you can use it for your purpose. I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. This is a tool which can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. So you can export in one click and you can generate bulk PDF documents for a requirement. It uses a Google document as a source of a template file where you can define the entire template for a purpose. And then it also requires a Google Sheet or a Notion database which acts as a source of data that can be replaced on the Google document for exporting PDF documents in bulk. I've added a video of how you can do the exact same process for invoicing. So follow this video to understand how invoices can be generated in bulk and you can replicate the same process for any documents that you have in your business. Do check out PDF Output, and if you have any questions or queries, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you or assist you with any queries that you might have. Thank you. Have a great day.